everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making ackee and shrimp. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Olive oil, parsley flakes, black pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt, basil leaf, paprika, ackee, tomato, onion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell peppers, jalapeno pepper, garlic, and the shrimp. For my meal today, it's going to be a non-traditional meal because I came up with this idea. I've never seen it before. So therefore I said, I was brainstorming what can I do a little differently. And then this came to my thought that combine ackee and shrimp. And I know with the flavor of the shrimp, the ackee will taste really well. So upon completion, I will let you guys know how it tastes. This is my garlic, and you can see I'm gonna pound my garlic. And the reason why I'm doing pounding my garlic instead of chopping it, I think when you do it this way, that's my opinion, the flavor is more poignant, more stronger than chopping it. All I do is take this extra pieces off, and then this is what it looks like. So put it in here. That's it. I'm gonna chop my onion, and I'm gonna go a little finer today with my herbs and vegetables. See it? Like I said, this meal is my idea, so it's not necessarily anybody else's idea, but I was just brainstorming and that came to my mind. The Jamaican national dish is ackee and saltfish, and shrimp is also a seafood. So I think the pair is good. Come on. These are my bell peppers. And I'm gonna place all of that in my frying pan at the same time. It's my jalapeno. Jalapeno is not, it has a little kick to it, a little spicy, but it's not hot. It's not really spicy. But the flavor is to die for. So, and this is from my garden as well. So I'm still using this Scotch bonnet. It's from my garden as well, but I will not cut it because I want to enjoy my meal. So I'm gonna just place it in the pot for now, the way it is. And my thyme, I'm gonna drop the bundle into my ackee and saltfish, but some of it I'm gonna take the leaf off the sprig and do it this way. This is my shrimp. I place it in some lemon water or lime water, and it's pre-cooked. So I'm gonna take the tail off. These are considered small shrimp, So if they're bigger, then I would just cut them in two, and maybe I'm going to just cut them in two to have it distributed in the pot evenly with the ackee. So I'm just showing you how I prepare my shrimp. Well, I wash my shrimp and take the extra shell, which is the tail, off. So now so I will cut them in two. Just for even for them to be distributed even in the ackee. Not even. Okay. This is my ackee that I'm going to be using, and all I'm going to do, open it, drain the water off. It is pre-cooked, so ready to be used. And this is what my ackee looks like after removing it from the can, and it's already cooked. So I'm just gonna combine them and make one delicious meal. See you later. This is my dish for today: the shrimp, the ackee, and my herbs and vegetable. I'm gonna put all my stuff in there now. My powdered seasoning. The aroma is nice. A little basil, seasoned salt, garlic powder. I love garlic. Whatever form it is, I really like it. Black pepper. And now parsley flakes. And last but not least, my paprika. I'm not going to add any salt to it until later. The smell, the aroma is so nice because the jalapeno pepper, the beaten garlic, man, this is nice. Now I'm gonna add my shrimp for about 2 minutes. Okay, and like I said, it's pre-cooked. I'm gonna also toss a little sesame oil. Wow. Roll and roll a bit. Get all the flavors in there. I'm going to cut up a piece of thyme in there. Piece. This is the finished product of my ackee and shrimp. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!